everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to review a really famous product. Everyone is raving about it, and the product is Garnier Micellar Water. So I have two Garnier Micellar Water with me. One is the regular one with pink cap on it, and it removes makeup, cleanses and soothes. And the other one with white cap is the Oil Infused Cleansing Water, which removes waterproof makeup. So I'm going to review this particular micellar water in this video today. So micellar water is a cleansing water which contains tiny little molecules called micelles. These micelles act as magnet to attract all the makeup and dirt from your face. You don't have to rub this micellar water onto your face. You just have to soak a cotton pad in micellar water and then just place it onto your face or lips or eyes, wherever you want to remove makeup, and then you just have to leave it for some time and then just drag it and you will see that all makeup is onto the pad. Now I'm going to test this micellar water onto my face and I'm going to show you how it removes my makeup. But before that, I'm going to show you what all makeup I have applied. And in the end, I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick, which is really hard to remove. So before using this oil infused cleansing water, you have to shake it so that it gets activated. Both the faces gets mixed, oil and the water one. I'm going to pour it onto a cotton pad and then I'm going to place it onto my eyes first, and then press it for some time. Look at all the eyeshadow and brow pomade and mascara. I'll place it for a little longer under my eye and wipe it. It's amazing. It pulled off all my makeup. Then again, place it, wipe it. Place it, wipe it. Now the ultimate test will be this liquid lipstick. It's really hard to remove this liquid lipstick. So let's see if this can remove this really tough liquid lipstick. It did remove my lip makeup and you can see the difference. Now I'll remove all of my makeup using other pad because it's so dirty. So I am going to remove all of my makeup. It's really gentle on skin and it pulls off all the makeup and dirt from your face. Quite affordable as well. It's worth rupees 225 for 125 ml and it's dermatologically tested, so you can be sure that it won't clog your pores and react to your skin. So all my makeup is on these 3 cotton pads. So gross. So all in all, I really love this oil infused Garnier Micellar Water. It's really amazing, it's really affordable and it's easy to use. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. And if it was, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.